If you think that savings is some kind of defensive test match where you just have to stick to the pitch and not get out, let me tell you that the pitch rent is getting higher, the ball is getting heavier, and if you don't hit your 4s and 6, you might lose the match. Today we are going to talk about how to take right decisions at right time. At the end of the video, I am also going to share you my personal experience where I took a very right decision while I started earning, and when I wanted to quit my 9 to 5 night shift job, I didn't have to be dependent on anyone. So let's start with the ice cube effect. If you understand what ice cube effect is, take an ice, put it outside, not in the freezer, put it outside. What would you realize? It slowly melts, right? So similarly, if you take your money and put it inside the cupboard, it is going to be the same. Rather than if you put your ice into the freezer. That means putting your money at the right place. If you start investing, they are your money-making babies. Because I hope you know what compounding is. Your babies will make more babies. You can also hire your money as an employee, which means that while you are sleeping, your money is working for you. Investing also helps in beating the slow lane. I understand savings बहुत easy होता है, बहुत secure होता है, safe feel होता है. But investing will make you feel special and will make you feel proud that you took the right decision at the right time. So this is why I will insist that you start investing as early as possible. Now, like I promised that I'll be sharing you my personal experience, I always try doing something new every year. So after completing my 2 years in TCS, I was also pursuing masters. Since I had a good knowledge about stock market while I was studying about it, I thought of started investing in it. I understand that stock market are subject to market risk and you should read all the documents clearly. But there is a life savior. I started investing in mutual funds first because I know that my funds are being managed by a person or manager who has all the knowledge about the market. So here I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to research about the market. There was someone who is doing it on behalf of me. If you want to start making a good profit, or if you want that your money gets compounded in future, I would suggest you to start investing as early as possible because there is no particular age limit or there's no particular age where people are going to come and tell you that 20s में या 30s या 40s में आपको invest कर लेना चाहिए. 40s is, oh my god, if you haven't, please start doing it. The best time to start investing is since you start earning. I had started investing since I started earning. So when I wanted to quit my job, I actually had accumulated a lot of good balance in my account and I knew that I could have managed. I will manage my own expenses, even if I would have been unemployed for a while. So that's how investing helped me out. And the top secret, I also self-finance myself for a Dubai trip. So what else do you need, man? What else do you need? So if you want to feel safe and secure, start investing as early as possible. So if you like my content, do like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below whatever you feel like about it.